From the tiniest insect navigating a world of giants to the majestic elephant casting its long shadow across the savanna, our planet teems with a breathtaking diversity of life. Each creature, a unique thread in the intricate tapestry of existence, woven together by the invisible hands of evolution. Yet this tapestry is not static. It shifts and changes, shaped by the relentless forces of nature. Over eons, Earth's environments have undergone dramatic transformations, presenting formidable challenges to its inhabitants. But life, as we know it, possesses an astonishing ability to adapt, to persevere, to overcome. It's a testament to the sheer tenacity of nature, a force that has sculpted countless species into masters of survival. How, you might ask, have these remarkable creatures endured generation after generation against seemingly insurmountable odds? What secrets do they hold within their very being? And what lessons can we, as fellow travelers on this planet, glean from their enduring legacy? Join me as we journey to the far corners of our planet, to the very edges of what we consider habitable, where life not only exists but flourishes against all odds. In these unforgiving landscapes, creatures turn adversity into an advantage. Picture the Arctic, a realm of ice and snow. Here we find the magnificent polar bear, perfectly adapted to life on the ice. Its thick fur traps warm air, shielding it from the cold. Beneath its fur lies a layer of blubber, a rich energy reserve. Its massive paws provide an unshakable grip on the ice. Now let us journey to the heart of the desert. Here we meet the Fennec fox, a creature of remarkable resilience. Its oversized ears dissipate heat, helping it stay cool. Its sandy-colored fur provides excellent camouflage. These are but two examples of the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. Whether it's the frigid Arctic or the scorching desert, life finds a way. The polar bear and the Fennec fox, each a testament to the power of natural selection. With the right adaptations, survival is possible even in the face of adversity. Survival, however, goes far beyond simply withstanding the elements. It requires a certain ingenuity, a knack for outsmarting both predator and prey, a mastery of the art of deception, and a palate that can find sustenance in the most unexpected of places. Consider the chameleon, a master of disguise, capable of changing its skin color to blend seamlessly with its surroundings. This remarkable feat is achieved through specialized cells called chromatophores, which contain pigments that can be expanded or contracted to alter the color of the skin. This camouflage allows the chameleon to ambush unsuspecting insects, its long, sticky tongue shooting out with lightning speed to capture its prey. But camouflage is not just about hunting. It's also about avoiding becoming someone else's meal. Take, for instance, the stick insect, a creature that has taken camouflage to an entirely new level. Its body, long and slender, mimics the twigs and branches of its forest home. It even sways gently in the breeze, further enhancing its disguise. This remarkable adaptation allows the stick insect to disappear into its surroundings, making it nearly invisible to predators. But adaptation isn't just about blending in. Sometimes it's about standing out, about evolving unique physical traits that provide a distinct advantage. The giraffe, with its extraordinarily long neck, is a prime example. This seemingly awkward adaptation allows the giraffe to reach high into the trees, browsing on leaves that are inaccessible to other herbivores. Its long legs, too, are perfectly suited for its savanna habitat, allowing it to outrun most predators with ease. These adaptations, honed over millennia, have made the giraffe a true icon of the African savanna. On the brink, a history of loss. The story of life on Earth, however, is not without its tragedies. For as long as there has been life, there has been extinction, a sobering reminder of the fragility of existence. Throughout history, countless species have vanished from our planet, their songs silenced, their stories lost to the sands of time. Some extinctions, like the demise of the dinosaurs, were sudden and catastrophic, triggered by cataclysmic events that reshaped the very face of our planet. Others have been more gradual, the result of slow, incremental changes in climate, habitat loss, or the arrival of new, more competitive species. The dodo, a flightless bird that once inhabited the island of Mauritius, is a poignant example of extinction driven by human activity. Its isolation on the island had made it fearless, unaware of the dangers posed by humans and the animals they brought with them. The arrival of sailors, along with rats, pigs, and other introduced species, spelled doom for the dodo. Its inability to fly, its lack of fear, and its ground nesting habits made it easy prey for the newcomers. Within a century of human arrival, the dodo was extinct, a victim of its own evolutionary success in a rapidly changing world. The passenger pigeon, once the most abundant bird in North America, tells a similar tale of human-induced extinction. Its vast flocks, numbering in the billions, would darken the skies for days on end. Yet within a few short decades, the passenger pigeon went from unimaginable abundance to complete extinction. Overhunting, driven by a combination of commercial exploitation and habitat destruction, proved to be its downfall. The last known passenger pigeon died in captivity in 1914, a stark reminder of the devastating impact humans can have on the natural world. Against all odds. Tales of remarkable recoveries. While the stories of extinction serve as stark warnings, there are also tales of resilience and hope, stories of creatures that have stared extinction in the face and emerged victorious. These are the comeback kids of the animal kingdom, living proof that even in the darkest of times, the flame of life can be rekindled. The American bison, once a symbol of the vast American West, came perilously close to vanishing from the earth. However, thanks to the tireless efforts of conservationists, ranchers, and Native American tribes, the bison has made a remarkable comeback. Another inspiring story is that of the California condor, a magnificent bird with a wingspan that can reach nearly 10 feet. Once a common sight soaring over the canyons and mountains of California, the condor was driven to the brink of extinction by habitat loss and lead poisoning. Today, thanks to intensive conservation efforts, California condors are once again soaring the skies. And then there's the giant panda, a global icon of conservation. Its story is a powerful reminder that even the most endangered species can be saved when we work together. These comebacks offer a beacon of hope in a world often dominated by stories of environmental loss. Nature's enduring lessons: adaptability, collaboration, conservation. As we've journeyed across the globe, witnessing the incredible resilience of life on Earth, we've encountered creatures that have adapted to the most extreme environments, developed remarkable survival strategies, and even rebounded from the brink of extinction. These animals, in their own silent ways, offer us profound lessons about survival, about the interconnectedness of life, and about the importance of safeguarding the natural world. One of the most important lessons we can learn from nature is the power of adaptability. The animals that have thrived over millennia are those that have been able to adjust to changing conditions, to evolve new traits, and to find innovative solutions to the challenges they face. In a world grappling with climate change and other environmental shifts, this ability to adapt is more crucial than ever. We must learn from nature's playbook and embrace flexibility, innovation, and a willingness to evolve our own behaviors to meet the challenges of a changing world. Another vital lesson is the significance of collaboration. Just as the survival of a single animal often depends on its interactions with other species, so too does our own well-being rely on the health and stability of the entire web of life. The comeback stories of the American bison, the California condor, and the giant panda highlight the power of working together to protect our planet's biodiversity. These successes were not achieved in isolation, but through the combined efforts of scientists, conservationists, policymakers, and everyday citizens. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, these stories underscore the urgent need for conservation. The fate of these animals, and indeed the fate of all life on Earth, rests in our hands. We have a moral imperative to protect our planet's biodiversity, to be stewards of the natural world, and to ensure that future generations inherit a planet that is as rich and vibrant as the one we inherited. Our shared future. The natural world, with its awe-inspiring creatures and breathtaking landscapes, is not just a source of wonder and beauty. It is our life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the very ground we walk on. Its preservation is not a luxury, but a necessity. The stories of resilience and adaptation we've explored today are a testament to the enduring power of life, but they are also a call to action. We must learn from the past, embrace the present, and work together to create a future where both humanity and nature can thrive. Each and every one of us has a role to play in safeguarding biodiversity and promoting a sustainable future. Whether it's reducing our ecological footprint, supporting conservation organizations, or simply spreading awareness about the importance of protecting our planet, our collective actions can make a difference. Let us be inspired by the resilience of nature and work together to ensure a vibrant and thriving planet for generations to come.